San Francisco's Prop E could ease the way for police drone use, but highlights the need for more education, news, and commentary. In San Francisco, Prop E will be on the ballot on March 5, among other provisions designed to help public safety agencies deal with rising crime rates in the city. Prop E would ease the way for police drone use. The discussion in San Francisco's media, however, has highlighted the drone industry's imperative to educate community leaders and lawmakers about what drones are good at, the de-escalation and better outcomes that most communities hope for. Review Teledyne FLIR SIRAS Webinar, Drone News of the Week, Teledyne FLIR New Drone, Cybersecurity for dronesTeledyne FLIR Partners with PoliceGrantsHelp to boost public safety solutions. Drone and sensor developer Teledyne FLIR has recently announced a partnership with PoliceGrantsHelp.com, who help eligible agencies gain access to grants, increasing the affordability of their public safety-focused solutions. Designed to help bridge the gap between operational needs and budget realities, grants are vital to maximizing the capabilities of departments of all sizes. Teledyne FLIR is now offering their SIRAS professional drone alongside a comprehensive set of grant consulting services designed to defray costs for eligible customers. Blue SUAS and Public Safety, Search and Rescue, Texas Police DJI Drones. Texas Police secure drone data, aim to preserve fleets despite ban attempts. As both state and federal officials try to limit, if not outright ban, the use of Chinese-made drones by public service agencies, police departments and sheriff's offices in Texas have taken steps to ensure that those UAVs in their fleets do not present the security threat that ban advocates fear. In the last several years, many, if not most municipal police departments and county sheriff's offices in the Lone Star State have established UAV programs. Among those police agencies with Unmanned Aerial System, UAS, programs, aerial vehicles produced by Dejang Innovations, DJI, typically comprise the bulk of their fleets. Affordable Photogrammetry Skybrowse introduces Affordable Photogrammetry Software Tier. Texas-based mapping software developer Skybrowse recently announced a new light tier for their flagship affordable photogrammetry software, making access to high-quality mapping more accessible for organizations than ever. While missing certain professional tools and access to long-term GIS-compliant cloud storage, Skybrowse Lite comes in at $49 a month and features a higher level of accuracy, higher priority processing, and a full year of cloud storage than their pay-per-model freemium tier. Airboxer VTOL UAV tender. HiI wins Netherlands Ministry of Defense tender with Airboxer VTOL UAV. In a significant development for both the defense industry and unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, technology, HiI has been announced as the winner of an international tender issued by the Netherlands Ministry of Defense. This achievement marks a noteworthy milestone in HiI's journey of innovation and growth, showcasing their commitment to advancing UAV capabilities on a global scale. The tender win highlights the exceptional quality and capability of HiI's flagship product, the Airboxer. This VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, UAV is set to be integrated comprehensively into the operations of the Netherlands Ministry of Defense over a program spanning more than 2 years. The integration will cover both European and international operations, emphasizing the versatile applicability of the Airboxer system. Susan Roberts Public Safety Drone Review, Drone Headline live from a demo of the Drone-in-a-Box Optimus system. Don't miss the Public Safety Drone Review, March 5th. Register here for the upcoming episode of the Public Safety Drone Review on Tuesday, March 5th at 3 p.m. EST. This webcast, co-sponsored by DroneLife and Drone Responders, is set to deliver insights into drone technology advancements for fire and police departments. Hosted by Miriam McNabb, editor of DroneLife, and Tim Martin, a public safety officer and director of UAV training at the Regional Training Center, this episode will feature the latest developments in drones for public safety. This month's broadcast features a live demonstration from Mass Maritime Academy, showcasing Ondas Holdings' Aerobotics Drone-in-a-Box Optimus system, which is utilized for public safety in Dubai. For details on Ondas Holdings and their autonomous drone solutions, visit Ondas Holdings and Aerobotics. Drone industry funding sees significant drop in 2023, the latest from Drone Industry Insights. Drone Industry Insights has published their latest report detailing the state of drone industry investments. The research is an in-depth analysis, but one stark fact stands out in the summary. In the realm of drone industry funding, the year 2023 witnessed a notable downturn, marking a departure from the meteoric rise seen in previous years. Data gleaned from investment infographics and the blog post by Zara Lotfi reveals that the cumulative total of funding for drone companies worldwide in 2023 stood at $1.7 billion. While this figure may appear substantial at first glance, it pales in comparison to the previous year's total of $3.3 billion, signifying a stark decline. The LiDAR Pros, comprehensive LiDAR drone services from the experts of Sundance Media Group. The integration of LiDAR technology into commercial drone operations continues to revolutionize industries such as architecture, surveying, construction, and public safety. The precision and efficiency offered by LiDAR have prompted significant advancements in data collection, enabling companies to streamline processes and enhance project outcomes. The LiDAR Pros, LLC, headquartered in Las Vegas, Nevada, has recently announced an expansion of their services and drone reselling operations in the Southwest region. Boasting a team with over 80 years of collective experience in aviation and UAS data collection, the LiDAR Pros are positioned to cater to a wide range of projects spanning Nevada, Utah, Idaho, Southwest Colorado, Western Arizona, and California. Drone Relief Japan Earthquake Collaborative Efforts and Innovation marked drone relief operations following Noto Peninsula earthquake. In the wake of the devastating Noto Peninsula earthquake that struck on January 1, 2024, Japan's response has been characterized by innovative drone technology and collaborative relief efforts spearheaded by various companies in partnership with the Japan UAS Industrial Development Association, JUIDA. JUIDA, in coordination with the local government and the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force, JGSDF, 10th Division, swiftly dispatched an integrated crisis general manager to the affected area. Together with partner companies, they initiated a wide array of activities, including searching for victims, delivering medicine, conducting aerial photography of the affected regions, and monitoring sediment dams using drone ports over an extended period. According to JUIDA, this marks the first large-scale, systematic operation of unmanned aerial vehicles during a disaster in Japan.